Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am your host, Gordon Zulu. So, for today, we are going to look at integration by parts. So, this is another technique in integration where we have things like the product rule, the quotient rule, where you apply them under differentiation. But in integration, we look at integration by parts. So, we have one example here with us that we are going to integrate by integration by parts, where when we are dealing with integration by parts, we use the formula u v minus the integral of uv dx, where this v is the integral v, while this u is the normal u. So this u is the normal u, while the v is the integral v. Then this u is now the differentiated u, while this other v is the integral v. So when we are dealing with integration by parts, remember I have said I have one example with me. So this is the example where we are going to differentiate this by parts, 2x dx. So you know to say when you see such under integration, you know to say this is simply the product rule, but with integration, it is something that is very different. So what we do here is we'll say u is equal to x, and you know to say u prime is equal to what? 1. Then you have v is equal to e to x. Then we will not write v directly, but we'll say v integral dx, where you know to say v integral. Remember, this is an exponential function, and the integral of an exponential function is 1 over 2 e to the power 2x. You differentiate this one, then you get the reciprocal, which is 1 over 2. Then you multiply it to the original function, and that's the integral. Then how do you now integrate this by parts? We know to say we have u normal v integral minus the integral of u prime and the v integral, where we have this u to be the normal one in this case, which is x, and the v to be the integrated one, which is 1 over 2 e to the power 2x, minus the integral of u prime, in this case it is 1, and the integral of v, in this case it is 1 over 2 e to the power 2x, where we will have x over 2 e to the power 2x. Then from here we can bring this outside, where we will have negative 1 over 2, the integral of e to the power 2x. We know to say if we are to integrate this one, in here we'll have x over 2 e to the power 2x, and we know to say the integral of this is 1 over 2 e to the power 2x. Then from here we have x over 2 e to the power 2x. We multiply, it will give us 4 e to the power 2x plus c. So this is the integrated function by parts. I have another example here with me. I have the integral of x ln x dx. So what we do here is we will get the u is equal to x, and we not say u prime is equal to 1, where we have ln x. In this case, we will have this one to be the integral of ln x. Then we know to say